Welcome to Lesson 9, Advanced Composting. In this lesson, you're going to learn to do the following. You'll apply and edit smart filters. You'll use the liquify filter to distort an image, apply color effects to selected areas of an image, apply filters to create various effects, use the history panel to return to a previous state, and that doesn't mean like Alabama or something. Upscale a low resolution image for high resolution printing. Our finished product, this is what it looks like. So in this lesson, we're going to assemble a montage of images for a movie poster as we explore filters. So like I said, this is our finished product. So we are going to, for this to get our files, we're going to click File, and then Browse and Bridge, and then go to your Lesson 9 folders, and you will see some different images here. Go to the makeup folder, the monster makeup, and then I'm going to click on the first one. I'm going to hold down the shift key and click on the right one, so they are all now selected. And then let's choose Tools, and then go down to Photoshop and load files into Photoshop layers. When we do that, you see that it's in the process of loading all of those into our file. All right, so now that we've done that, we're going to click File, Save As. I'm going to go to my computer. I'm going to go to Photoshop 2023. I'm going to name it #09 working _ last name. Make sure you're going in your Lesson 9 folder. It's Format, Photoshop, and Save. Our image contains 8 layers imported in alphabetical order. In their current positions, they don't make a very convincing monster. We're going to rearrange the layer order and resize their contents as we start to build our monster. So zoom out or scroll so that you can see the entire document canvas. Also, if you don't see all the layers in the layers panel at once, you can drag the top edge of the layers panel and make it taller. So for example, right here, I can't see them all. So if I drag this up, I can now see all of my layers. So in the layers panel, we're going to drag the monster hair layer to the top. So monster hair, we're going to drag that up to, and we see the blue line right there. So that is now at the top. Drag the Franken layer to the bottom. Select the Move tool. If I can get my mouse to work. And then in the document window, drag the Franken layer, the image of the person, to the bottom of the canvas. So that's this guy right here. We're going to drag him down to the bottom of the canvas. Voila. In the layers panel, select every layer except the Franken layer. So we're going to click right here. Going to hold down shift, click right here, so they're all layered, all selected. Then go to Edit, and then Free Transform. And we're now going to drag this down to where it's about 50% of the original size. If you watch the width and height percentage in the options bar right up here, we're going to drag that. Or we could go up here and simply type. Oh, wrong. 50%. Okay. With the free transform bounding box still active, position it over the head of the Franken layer, then press enter or return. So now let's zoom in so we can see the head clearly. Hide all the layers except the green skin texture and the Franken. So we don't need this. We only want the green skin and the Franken. Select only the green skin texture layer and use the move tool to center it over the face. See his eyes there. Choose edit free transform again, or if you know the Command T or Control T. And we're going to adjust the fit of the texture to the face. Use the eyes and mouth as a guide. Press the arrow keys to nudge the entire layer into position. Drag the handles on the bounding box to adjust the width and height. If you want to adjust without preserving proportions, you could click the shift button as you drag a handle, and that will allow you to do that. And when you've positioned the skin texture, press enter and return to commit the transformation. So you see the mouth is down here, so we're gonna play around with it. There is no right or wrong. Get it to where you like it and you're happy with it. Looks like somebody that I know. I don't know who it is. All right. It's a great time to save what we've done. So click File, Save.